ya Kisii imeye kaunti ya Kisii. Togos kama tubono ngo mubunge wensemo ye bunge ya West Mogrango Stephen Mogaka abo ose aganirie igetambukiro kyabo ngo kwimukirwa igoro omuchando wo gwakana abakori Emeremo be serikali bali Bachire retire ase Obwango imeyense ya Kenya kukwana kurosa magacho ye bunge nene aiga imemo cho Nairobi. Mogaka ningo bono aganirie committee ya finance and national planning kubeka teneni ikigekwirira ogochererwa ko Goakanwa engere yabo wikaba ande basire magima
I seek to request for a statement regarding delays in the processing and payment of retirement benefits to our pensioners. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44-2C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Department of Committee on Finance and National Planning regarding persistent delays in processing and remittance of retirement benefits to retired public servants across the country. Honorable Speaker, having dedicated their productive years to serving the nation, retirees are lawfully entitled to receive their pension in a timely manner so as to meet their basic needs and live with dignity. Regrettably, Honorable Speaker, many pensioners continue to face prolonged delays in the processing and payment of their benefits, thereby subjecting them to financial hardship during their retirement years. Honorable Speaker, these delays have caused unnecessary suffering, particularly for pensioners who rely solely on their monthly pension to meet daily needs, to access medical care, and to support their families. The situation is even more dire, Madam Speaker, for elderly pensioners, some of whom endure extended waiting periods, while others tragically pass on before receiving the benefits they earned through decades of public service. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning on the following. 1. The status of pending pension claims as at June 2026 and the number of pensioners whose retirement benefits remain unpaid across the country. Number 2, the reasons for the persistent delays in the processing and payment of pensions and retirement benefits. Number 3, measures being undertaken by the government to clear the existing backlog of pension claims and ensure timely payment of benefits. And finally, Madam Speaker, reforms in place to strengthen pension administration system, to reduce bureaucratic bottlenecks and guarantee that pensioners, including the beneficiaries of deceased pensioners, receive their lawful benefits promptly. I thank you.